Hi students, how are you all? I hope you're all doing fine. Children, in the previous recorded sessions, we discussed about the pros, the will of sacrifice. We discussed where Bhagat Singh was born, who were their parents, his whole family were actively participated in freedom fighter, and how he met or how he influenced by Lala Lajpat Roy to join in the freedom struggle, as well as how for when Gandhiji gave a call for non-cooperation movement, he left DAV and joined National School of Lahore in the year 1921. And we also studied about how to take a revenge of Lala Lajpat Roy. He threw a bomb on the session when the British Parliament session was going on in India. There he threw the bomb, and for that reason he was taken into custody. That was, he was put into a jail, and from jail he has written 2 letters. We also discussed one letter that is where he writes to Batukeshwar Dutt. Who was Batukeshwar Dutt? Batukeshwar Dutt was also a revolutionary as well as an active freedom struggle, like he participated in freedom movement of our country, that is India. And what he tells there, he tells that there are many other people who are in prison along with me, but they are trying to escape, or they are praying that we should at least escape from the jail. But Bhagat Singh tells that I am very much adamant about my ideals, my whatever the way I am following it. And he also tells that at least there are many other people like me, like Bhagat Singh. He tells in the letter that there are many other people like me who really want to fight for the nation, and the people who are outside of the jail, they have an opportunity to fight for the country, to fight for the independence of our country. Is this clear? This all the things it has been discussed in the recorded sessions. Today we shall be looking forward to for the second letter, that is Bhagat Singh writes a letter to second LCC converts. Is this clear? Second LCC converts. Okay? Children, what is the meaning of LCC converts? Means second LCC converts. Here, L is Lahore conspiracy case converts. And the meaning of conspiracy, we actually make it a small secret meeting to do something unlawful or harmful. मतलब कोई गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ कोई साजिश रखो. For example, do you remember where Bhagat Singh threw a bomb on the parliament when the session was going on, where there were many British people were there. Is it याद है कि ब्रिटिश के जब पार्लियामेंट चल रही थी तो भगत सिंह ने क्या किया, उन्होंने वहां पर बॉम्ब डाल दिया सो दैट उनके जो लोग थे ताकि वो मारे जाएं और हमारे हिंदुस्तान को आजादी मिल जाए, है कि नहीं? तो ये कॉन्स्पिरेसी किसे बोलती, बोले तो कोई अब एक 5-6 मेंबर्स मिलकर क्या करते हो, दे एक्चुअली मेक अ प्लान. क्या करने के लिए? कोई अनलॉफुल काम करने के लिए, यानी अनलॉफुल इन द सेंस गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ काम करने के लिए. इज दिस क्लियर? सो कन्विक्स बोले तो जो पीपल हु आर, मतलब इनके ऊपर शक है, इनको उठाले उनको बोलती है, या तो फिर इनके ऊपर शक है, तो सारे उन्होंने क्या हो जाती है, उन्होंने कन्विक्स हो जाती है. Is this clear? So he writes a letter for second Lahore conspiracy case convicts. Convicts मतलब people who are involved in this case. ठीक है? उसमें से भगत सिंह को they have awarded the death sentence. ठीक है? So he writes a letter for second LCC convicts. So let me look into the letter. The letter is, the desire to live is natural. It is me also. तो किसे मौत पसंद है? Like we usually tell के do we say ke, oh death, please take me away? When do we tell this one? We tell like when I'm so sad, I tell ke, oh God, take me away, like that. But here यहाँ पर शहीद हो गए. Here they are sacrificing their life on their will. उनके will से उन्होंने sacrifice कर रहे. Usually जीना उनको हर एक को पसंद आता है. the desire to live is natural. It is in me also. मेरे तो भगत सिंह is telling that कि मुझे भी जीने का शौक है, मेरे अंदर भी वो जज्बा है कि मैं भी जीऊं. I do not want to conceal it, but it is conditional. I don't want to live as a prisoner or under restriction. My name has become a symbol of Indian revolution. The ideals and the sacrifices of revolutionary party have elevated me to a height beyond which I will never be able to rise if I live. So here in the first paragraph, that is the first letter, in the second letter of the first paragraph, Bhagat Singh is telling that there is also a desire, उनको भी पसंद है कि मैं भी जीना बोलूँ. मुझे छपाना नहीं है कि मैं मरना चाहता हूँ बोलूँ, बट मुझे भी जीने का शौक है. बट एक जेल में एक प्रिजनर की तरह रहना, आई डोंट लाइक दैट वन. Like to live a life of a prison, to live a life like a prisoner, I don't like it. The name Bhagat Singh जो नाम है, it has become a symbol of Indian revolution. Indian revolution. यानी Bhagat Singh is inspiring youths, inspiring Indian youths to fight against British people. He has become, Bhagat Singh has become the ideal symbol. Bhagat Singh has become the ideal symbol of Indian revolution. यानी revolution को बोले तो uses of violence to fight against British people. So यहाँ पर यूथ को जो ब्रिटिश के खिलाफ लड़ने के लिए जो हिंदुस्तान के नौजवान है, उनमें एक जज्बा उभर रहे. किसे देखकर? भगत सिंह को देखकर. So that they can also fight for the country like Bhagat Singh only. Here Bhagat Singh is telling that he doesn't like to live in a prison. He has sacrificed himself for the sake of nation, and he also wants other youths, other people to participate in independent movement so that they can throw British out of our country. Today, people do not know my weakness. If I escape gallows, those weaknesses will come before them and the symbol of revolution will get tarnished. Perhaps it may vanish altogether. So, Bhagat Singh is telling here that अगर समय यहाँ से छुप को escape को निकल गया, if I live, gallows मतलब एक वो कटघरे से बाहर आना, यानी he was in jail and if he comes out of it, तो people को क्या पता चलता है कि नो डर, इनके पास डर है. किसका डर? मौत का डर. तो जो एक सिंबल है रेवोल्यूशनरी का, भगत सिंह को जो एसोसिएट हो है नाम से, यानी आप भगत सिंह बोले तो क्या, ही वॉज ए रेवोल्यूशनरी. रेवोल्यूशनरी किसे बोलती? The person who uses violence to fight against something or to change, to bring change altogether in the governance. यानी एक गवर्नमेंट को चेंज करने के वास्ते जो भी हमें वायलेंस यूज करती, तो उसे क्या बोलती? रेवोल्यूशनरी बोलती. तो भगत सिंह इज टेलिंग दैट इफ आई कम आउट ऑफ दिस जेल, पीपल विल थिंक दैट आई एम वेरी मच फ्राइटेंड पर्सन, मुझे डर है मौत का. तो हो सकता है कि जो रेवोल्यूशनरी का जो एक सिंबल है वो हिंदुस्तान के नौजवानों में से हमेशा हमेशा के लिए चला जाए या तो फिर खत्म ही हो जाए. आई डोंट वांट पीपल टू रन अवे from their ideals. I want to live in the jail and show to the world that I can sacrifice my life for the sake of country so that other people can also follow the path of Bhagat Singh to fight against British people. If I mount the gallows boldly and with a smile, that will inspire Indian mothers, and there will also inspire their children should also become Bhagat Singh. Here, Bhagat Singh is telling that अगर ये माँ कोई मुझे देख ले कि मैं उन सीढ़ियों को, जो फांसी के फंदे की सीढ़ियों को मैं खुशी से चढ़ रहा हूँ, तो एक माँ के अंदर एक जज्बा पैदा होगा कि उनके बच्चे भी भगत सिंह जैसे बने. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप हमारे स्कूल में रिपब्लिक डे होता है, isn't it? We usually have Republic Day, right? Isn't it? Yes. तो उस रिपब्लिक डे में क्या होता है कि बच्चे सीढ़ियों पे चढ़ को प्राइज लेते कि नहीं. तो द पेरेंट्स वर ऑब्जर्विंग दैट, दे आल्सो टेल द चिल्ड्रन, देखो तुम्हें भी उनके जैसा लेना. तो क्या होता है? दैट इज एन इंस्पिरेशन. होता है या नहीं? यस. that will be an inspiration altogether. Is this clear? Yes. So, children will inspire, like mothers will inspire their children to become like Bhagat Singh. They can also become revolutionary. When will this happen? When Bhagat Singh climbs the stair of, जब वो सीढ़ियां चढ़ती हैं, किसके? फांसी के फंदे के. किस हालत में? खुशी की हालत में के. To show the country, to show the world, to show country that yes, I can sacrifice my life for the sake of country. Thus, the number of persons ready to sacrifice their lives for the freedom of our country will increase enormously. It will become impossible for the imperialism to face the tide of the revolution, and all their might and their satanic efforts will not be able to stop if its onwards march. Here, yes. Here, Bhagat Singh is telling that if I climb the gallows with a smile, every Indian mother will get inspiration from Bhagat Singh, and she will forward their children to sacrifice their lives for the sake of country. यानी वो माँ जो है अपने बच्चों को भेजती कहाँ पर? हिंदुस्तान की आज़ादी में, जंग में शरीक होने के लिए. And they can also sacrifice their lives. Here I have used two words. One is imperialism and satanic efforts. See children, the word imperialism is also used for British people who are ruling here. It means imperialism यानी वो word किसे बोले तो when British people they came here, they came to rule us, but what they did, they actually came for trade, but they started ruling the country. तो ये British के वास्ते क्या बोलती? imperialism. उन्होंने पैसे बनाने को थे, but यहाँ पर क्या करें? हिंदुस्तान को कब्जा कर ले. That is nothing but imperialism. ठीक है? So imperialism and satanic efforts बोले तो शैतान के काम. Satanic is a devil and efforts बोले तो काम. यानी उनके जो इरादे हैं, उनके गलत इरादे, उनके गलत इरादों को हिंदुस्तान में जगह नहीं रहती बोलो. ठीक है? Is this clear? So he is telling that if we all together, if we fight against British people, then those efforts, British की जो efforts थी वो पानी में बह जाती. पानी में बहना मतलब नाकाम हो जाती. ठीक है? Now, yes, one thing pricks me even today. My heart nurtures some ambitions for doing something for humanity and for my country. I have not been able to fulfill even 1,000 part of those ambitions. If I live, I might perhaps get a chance to fulfill them. If ever it came to my mind that I should not die, it came from this end only. I am proud of myself these days and I am anxiously waiting for the final test. I wish the day may come nearer soon. Here, he is telling that जब भी मुझे ख्याल आता है कि मैं जीना बोलूँ, वो कब आता है? Only when I want to serve my country. I had so many ambitions. I had so many ambitions to I want to serve the country. I want to serve humanity like that. Here he is telling that अगर से मुझे कभी भी जीने का शौक हुआ कि मैं जीना बोलो, ये ओनली तब मुझे ख्याल आता है कि तब मैं हिंदुस्तान के लिए क्या करूं. मेरे पास बहुत सारे एम्बिशंस थे, उसमें से मैं ये हिस्सा भी फुलफिल नहीं किया. अगर मैं जीना चाहती हूँ तो वो सारे एम्बिशंस जो एक कंट्री के लिए ही बस मैं वो फुलफिल करना चाहती हूँ. उसके अलावा मेरे पास दूसरा कोई भी शौक नहीं है. एंड मैं बहुत ज्यादा आई एम प्राउड फॉर माई सेल्फ because I'm getting an opportunity to serve for the country. I'm getting an opportunity to die for the sake of country, and I have also inspired youth so that they can follow and they can also become revolutionary like Bhagat Singh, so that they can throw British out of the country. And like the final words, I wish the day may come nearer soon, it means that जो उनका डेथ सेंटेंस का जो डे है, सो इज वेटिंग फॉर दैट कि वो दिन कब आएगा जब मुझे फांसी पे लटकाया जाएगा और हिंदुस्तान के लोग मुझे शहीद होते देखेंगे, तब मैं सुकून से मर सकता हूँ, ताकि मैंने अपने हिंदुस्तान के लिए जान दी है. So here he ends the letter by telling your comrade Bhagat Singh. So in the next class, go through the letters, go through the prose. In the next class, we shall discuss about the comprehension part. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me through WhatsApp. Stay home, study well.